In this video, we are going to see how we can use the clipboard feature in Microsoft Word. So if you effectively use this clipboard feature, you can save a lot of time in editing or adding your documents. Let's say that you want to copy all of these headings and paste it at the end of the document. So you don't have to copy it one by one like this. If you don't know the clipboard feature, what we will do is just copy this first document, paste it at the bottom, and then just move up again and then copy the second heading. You don't have to do this. You can copy all of them together and then paste it one by one or all together. So for that, I need to enable my clipboard. From the home tab, I'll click on clipboard. Now just remember guys, that clipboard feature will only work when you select that or open that clipboard, otherwise it will not work. So I'll just clear all for now. And let's say I want to copy all the headings and I want to paste it at the end of the document. So what I'll do is just I'll select this heading, just copy, and you will notice that it is shown in the clipboard right here. So let's select the second one as well. And now let's select the third one. Now select the fourth one. So as you can see, all of these are copied within this clipboard. And once I am done with all the headings, what I can do is I can paste it all together. So I have all of these headings right here. Let's say I want to insert it in a new page right here. And now I can just click on paste all and it will paste all the headings line wise. And now if I say I want to give some spacing between them, I can just choose all of these and I can just increase or decrease spacing from here. Although I'll show you this in much detail later, but let's just assume that I want to give the space between that. And these are all the headings or table of contents that I want to make. So I can just highlight in bullet points and then I can add the index here. Similarly, not only together, we can paste it one after the other as well. Let's say I want to make my own sequence. So I'll just paste this one right here and then give some spaces, then choose the second one, then choose the this one, and then choose this one, however I want to do. And similarly, if you want to clear it all together, you can just clear it all from the clipboard. So now it is cleared. You can now use it for other document as well, or the existing document as well for the other task. So this is a little bit about clipboard and how it can save you time in Microsoft Word. Just try it by yourself and I will see you in the next one.